Since I'm going to be an English primary teacher, I'm going to focus on learning by practice. For this, I'm going to check out the website for Learn English Kids by the British Council. It's a website that you can set to other languages to make English as a foreign language easier for kids with a bit of difficulties in the language. It's a website that features a lot of resources for teachers as well as parents. It has a lot of, since it's has a lot of exercises, it's very optimal for learning by practice. In this case, we're going to focus on grammar practice. And as you can see, there's a list of a lot of different grammar you can focus on, from pronouns to a different verb and nouns. So we're going to focus on possessives. And as you can see, you have the grammar rule, examples, what you have to remember, what you have to be careful with, and what is correct. Then you have some printables, some references, the answers to the activity, a test, a lot of resources for parents and kids, even teachers. So let's play the game. And we have to build a sentence. In this case, my bag is heavy. As you can see, it's a very engaging game for kids. They have to build very simple sentences in this case, but you can regulate the level. It gives me a score, it gives me lives, and it gives me a time. And at the end, it will give me a kind of status of how well I've done. In any case, I think this website is very useful for practicing. I think it wouldn't be that useful for group work or for class work. It would be more useful for homework or for practicing very specific faults.